During his recent visit to MAWKYRWAT, the MLA of the area and also PHE Minister RENIKTON TONGKHAR said that the rock garden situated near RILANG River and JASHIAR village would be one of the best tourist destinations in the country. Speaking to media persons, TONGKHAR said that very soon the place would be developed so as to enable tourists to move around and reach the pinnacle of each rock through bridges and paths to be constructed by the government. He further informed that such developmental activities would be sanctioned through the MLA or Chief Minister's scheme, while bigger activities would be sanctioned through the Tourism Department.
Rengkat berkicimut ban develop ya kene ke area kene ke rokadan hana JASHIAR hak bangin persang man persna ya ki footpath na tenrai jo ki mau ban yo ban rungru hapo jo ki mau badru kumju ngin snai kato kene ki footbridge ya ke bakin lak ban kiu hajrong jo ki mau ikimrat tengah kepat iki pajba ba wat langi don kamu mau ngi bon ki mau keleng ki caka ya kini ki balalong kumadap mbuk nang boleh nganda kerpat bangin nom penjot syu ya kini ki mau ai bikin sakum ne ngin yai penbahan nak kaliang jo ka sarkar nak kaliang jo ngaku nomik khmat ngan persang man pej ikilat glenti ki ei ki cingerap bat ngasngu tenat ban perkan mau biang sesin ba chief minister wa kajing wan sene ilas ko khia bahai kane bat ila menjur bat ngah ban yo ban lei tengen saya trelangan yo ban keren biang bat chief minister sesin ban perkan mau biang ba ngin perlongkam sisai kene ka rock garden bat ngi kepit lenti ba wat langi sa setang sistem hendring ngara kwa ban perlongkam hapo jong kene ketem ban yo ban lei ba ngan yo wan pej kai ya kene kejaka ya kene ka rock garden leng ba da kita kijing trei ke bagin trei la ilong ijing sedang ibarat iba karno hendring ngara kwa ban sedang ya ke bagin yo ban wan hang ne ha kene ka rock garden ban yo ban wan pej ban yo ban wan pli leng ba da kita kijing trei ya ke bagin sa persang ban trei